The Mesquite Dunes. Wow, Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes in Death Valley National Park here. 14 square miles. Huh. Okay, let's go take a look at them. Wow, sand's really cool and soft. Yeah, look at that. The story of that tree. How did it start growing here in the first place? Huh. We'll go just a little bit further and walking at the top of the dune right here. Then I'll take a look around here. Look at that. Cool. Okay. Right here in Death Valley, Mesquite Flat Sand Dune. I think that's what it was called. Take a quick look around with the GoPro. And of course I'll switch over to my phone to do a selfie video to see myself here. Okay. All right, here we go. Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes here in Death Valley. I see myself here. Oh, gotta take a look around. You see it behind me. Wow. Right now we're just driving through a Death Valley on our way west, heading towards San Francisco. Look at that back there. Just it's pretty cool. There, it looks better. There we go, almost through all the way around. All right. That's where we started from, right about there. Okay. With the phone here and kind of zoom in that direction, kind of look. Really something. All the sand just happened to collect here. Okay. This was just a quick stop, so I think we'll head back to the car now. Yeah. Gonna walk up this little spot right here, a little steeper right here. Gonna show what it looks like going up. Man, the sand is so fine.
Could claim no title of civic virtue,
Don't
no
go too
share in
far,
the splendor and pride of the governing class. For that surrender, they were scorned by senators.
Burros. There's one that went down the wild burros. See where it goes.
I bet you was coming here expecting to be fed.
Oh, here comes that one again.
You gotta pay the tax.
Begging burro. So your mother and the young one there. Yeah, let's go.
And with the petty dignity of
Well, at a rest area here in California somewhere. See, I'm going to go take a look at this little thing here, whatever it is. We're traveling towards San Francisco right now. I don't even know what road we're on. Okay. Searles Lake Borax Discovery. Okay, so borax was discovered near here. And that's California Registered Historical Landmark. Okay. Whatever. I think I got some information over here. Might as well go look at it. Wow. Quite faded. Oh, I can read that side at least. It's telling about minerals and stuff. Huh. Yeah, just a bunch of information about BLM lands and stuff. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's the town we're in right now, Trona. Okay. A little look around. And from what I've seen, it's I don't think I'd want to live here. I thought it was gonna be a town there, but I guess not. Oh, first time eating In and Out. So went with the double and the fries. Yummy. Delicious. Now time to take a bite of the burger. Excellent.